Everybody has occasional feelings of lethargy, sadness, or inner death. If you want to jolt your body awake and reawaken your soul. 1. Attempt new things. One of the best things you can do to feel truly alive is to try new things. Humans are intelligent, that much is true. We are all shrewd. Our brains require stimulation as a result. If we continue to do what we always do, we grow bored and eventually, we begin to feel dead inside. You'll find that as you try new, fascinating things, your enthusiasm for life increases. 2. Push your own particular limits. Out of your comfort zone, venture. You should occasionally push your personal boundaries for the same reasons you should try new things. In fact, you'll discover that you develop personally the more you push them. When we push ourselves, we discover our true potential and discover new aspects of life that we may appreciate. We become happier, more content, and more self-assured as a result. 3. Take on difficulties. When we're pursuing a difficult goal, we frequently feel the most alive. Now, this could entail undertaking a fitness regimen, picking up a new skill, or aiming for a job promotion. If you're still in school, it can even include earning all A's. Giving yourself a challenge and then putting all of your attention and effort into it is crucial. 4. Follow your dream. Go after an ambition you've had for a while. You will experience a sense of rebirth when you pursue your passions while putting aside worries about negative outcomes or obstacles. 5. Find your true love and spend time with them. Start dating if you're single. Find a person who will benefit you and who you can help by filling a need in their life. People are social beings. We all depend on other people, and having a partner can frequently provide excitement and fulfillment to your life. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.